Alright, so I'm going to share with you guys how you can make use of your mobiles to, design your pages. Alright, okay, so the first thing you want to do is to have a certain application in your phone so that you can view zip folders or zip files, and you can find it on your Play Store, and the name is RA, okay, or WinRAR. Okay, you can see it on your screen. Now, once you have it installed. You've gone ahead to locate where you have the templates I have created for you guys. Then you want to go on to open the file. So here you can see that I've been able to open this using the drive, because the files are hosted inside Google Drive, and you can see the different pages I have here. I have the baby mat, I have the car pump, I have the kids mats and or kids, I don't know what that is. Okay, kids tab, and one other one right here. So I'm going to download the baby mat. Now, if you look around these files here, you will see these three dots at the side of it. Just click on that and you're going to see where it says download, and I'm going to download that. You can see one item will be downloaded, see notification for details. So you can see that the file is being downloaded, by the way, and all you just have to do is locate your file manager and you'll be able to find that particular file that you've downloaded. Now I've gone ahead to log into my WordPress dashboard. So you can see it right here, WordPress dashboard, right? Looks good, isn't it? One other thing that you want to do is you can change the desktop's site, but I'm not going to do that yet. I just want to wait, hold on until we get to that point. I'm going to click on add new page. So you can see that you definitely can do this right here, right? I'm just going to say test baby. Okay, just going to do that. And let's hit on the settings here, change the permalink. By the way, if you're wondering how I got here, I just clicked on, look at that settings icon right there, right? Settings icon, you can see right there, right? I just clicked on that and it came on here, and I'm going to do test baby BBY, just something that simple. Okay, I'm going to close back so you can see that cancel button that works right there. I'm just going to click that. I'm going to click publish. All right, so it's going to be public, and that's it. I'm going to click out using that X or Ox icon, whatever that is, and now this page has been published. Okay, the next thing I want to do is click on this drive architect. You can see it's a little bit hidden because it's mobile, right? This is some of the things you experience when you're using mobile, but it's still here, right? So I'm going to click on launch drive architect, and it's going to try to launch that. Okay, now you see that the page is trying to load. Okay, let's just give it some time, and some of these things you see. Now here is where the you can see that there's a kind of the screen is smaller than what is on top of it. So I'm just going to switch over to desktop view. To switch over, you can see these three dots at the top right corner of your screen. Click on that and you're going to find desktop site. I'm going to click on that, and the page is going to reload, and it's going to look different now. Okay, let's give it some time, and you can see that this entire thing that was covering the screen is now just right. Is now we can click out of it. All right, that easy. Okay, now the next thing I want to do, you can see, you can zoom your screen. Okay, so I'm going to try to do that, and click on the settings icon here, import landing page. Okay, and of course you can see that there are the different files I've uploaded in the past are still here, right? But I'm just going to click on upload files right here and select. Okay, you can do while using this app or however you want to do it, but I'm just going to do only this time. You can use your phone, okay? So don't be scared. All right, So I'm going to go to files and locate that file I downloaded. You can see right here, TVIP baby mat. That's what I downloaded, right? So I'm going to click on that, and you can see that it's being processed. Now it's fully processed. And the next thing I want to do is look all the way down, okay, bottom right corner. You're going to see where it says import. So I'm going to click on that, and it's going to import that particular page I have selected, that I have uploaded and selected, right? And you can see, look at it right here. It's right here on the screen. Okay, now I can decide to move this away. If you Let me zoom in. You can see this icon here, something like an inverted play icon, right? You can see it there. So I'm just going to click on that to just remove that icon, right? So you can see that the entire page is the entire page that we have, and we can now work on this, right? Let's see. So right here, you can click on anything, move this around, right, and change things. Okay, so can I say I okay I love this awesome. I'm doing all of this on mobile, by the way. This awesome, you can break that up. Okay, awesome and awesome, most stimulating toy any baby can have, right? And right here, it's how will I put it now? Now let me try and remove it from mobile so that you guys can see, sorry, from desktop, so that you see how it's going to look, okay, on mobile, so you see the difference. Okay, so anytime you want to work on things, you want it to be in, so it's showing the view in mobile version, right? So you can edit things here as well. Okay, so I can come over here and say a cute baby you can have, so you can edit anything. So how about, for instance, you want to change colors, and you can see right here, you can see you can center paragraph and do all of those things right there. Okay, change button. Now you can change the colors as well. Okay, but the best way to work on the page is to have it in desktop view. I just wanted to show you guys how it looks when you have it on mobile view and when you have it on desktop view. Okay, so right here, now you can see that you can change basically anything you want, right? So let's say you want to work on that and you want to change the color of this button right there. Okay, that's the button. You can see right here, this is you can go to the background section. You can see it's red. You can decide to click on that, and you can see you can change green, right? So you see I've been able to change that, so you can edit anything you want to. For many of you guys, you probably are not going to be changing a whole lot of things, right? You are going to be more focused on editing the content on the page, and you can edit anything like I said, right? So for instance, you want to change that video. I want to bring back that icon. Okay, so I'm basically just going to click on the video, just have the video clicked on, and come over here, and you can change it, the source you have it, and paste the link, your video link from YouTube or anywhere you have it on there, right? And of course, like I said, I've shown you guys how to edit text. You can edit anything. Look at this, right? You can edit anything. This baby, you guys type now. So, right, this healthy and stimulating, provide hours of quality, stimulating and healthy fun time. So I can say fun time, right? Fun time, full stop. Okay, so that's what I just added there, but I just wanted to show you guys that you can change all of these. So let's say, for instance, you want to change, I've shown you guys how I change this color, isn't it? Okay, change, I show you how I change that. Okay, now if you look up here, this is an image right there. You can decide to, change it. Okay, if you have a logo designed on Canva anyway, you can click on that, you click on this, and choose anything from from on here. Okay, from, like, just click upload and you will be able to upload what you have and have it added, right? That's just how it works. So for instance, this one, you want to change the background. Let's click on this. Now if you come all the way up, you're going to see where it says text, content, borders, background. So I can just say I want to edit the background section, and it's just going to go to the background section. And right here you can see, so you can see what I'm doing. I'm basically increasing and reducing, using the screen, okay, the touch screen, to increase or zoom in, zoom out. That's just what I'm doing, right? Zoom in, zoom out. So here I can decide to change, you can see the image that is there now. If I say I want to change the background image, right there, you can, this is the image baby toy. You can click on that, and I can change it to something else. Let's change it to this, and click on insert into post right there. So you see it's not changed. How easy is that? Apply, boom, I've changed it. Okay, this is probably going to be your product image. Click on that, right, and you will be able to change the image right there. Okay, let's say, what do you want to have there? Let's say, for instance, you want to have this, right? Choosing that, click on insert into post, boom, you have it right there. This is easy, isn't it? This is easy. Now, so for how do you now add your link to the buttons? You have all your tests, you've done everything you want to do. Just click on the button, zoom in, right? And you will be able to go to main options, and you have your link where it says target URL. So you remove this hash and paste your entire URL on there, and you want to ensure that you click on this button here that says save work. Okay, so you basically say save work and say all changes saved. You can see it up there, that pop up. Okay, so you can see that it's very easy for you to edit anything that you want. Let me do one more thing before I end the video today for this. Let's change the background section at the top here. So I'm going to move up a little bit and just click on the background section, and then go to where it says background styling. Click on this, and I want to change it to maybe something like so, right? Okay, looks like isn't changed here. Okay, so maybe these colors are coming from somewhere else. Oh, okay, they might not be coming from somewhere else, but it could be that there is a pattern. Let's see. Decoration. Background section. Okay, this also. Oh, I'm basically even clicking on something else, right? So that's like, okay. So this background section there. Let's try and use gradient. So you can see gradient right there. Look at this. This is color. This is image. This is gradient. This is pattern, right? And something another option that is there. So we can use gradient and still do something with this, right? So look at that. Look at that. I don't know why this is changing back to that color, but let's see. Let's save, and you can click on preview and preview your site and see how it looks. So you can see the edits we made right here. Okay, so this is how it's going to look on mobile, right? This whole thing that is happening on here, that can still be looked at, right? So this is the page that we're working with. It's like this background section. I really don't know what's, maybe it's just messing up because I'm on screen. But basically, this is what you need to do to edit your pages, do anything you want, and launch them, right? And you can see how the page looks when it's launched right here. If you want to copy the link, that's the link right there. If I click on this, remove the preview slug or text that is there, and this entire link here is going to be my link to advertise if I want to advertise, right? So guys, that's how you make use of this, make use of your mobile and edit your pages. I hope you find this useful, and of course ask your questions, okay, if you have them. All right, bye.